How to edit a transaction in Money Manager app. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a transaction in the Money Manager app in case you made a mistake or just need to update the details. Let's get started. First, launch the Money Manager app on your phone. You will land on your daily or monthly transaction overview. Now you can just scroll to the date like this. You can scroll to the date like this. Now look for the transaction you want to update. It might be labeled with a category like food, transport or salary. Okay, now once you find the transaction, just tap on it like this. The full entry will open showing all the details like amount, category, account, date and notes. Make any changes you need like correcting the amount, and correct the amount here like this. Now once you make the change, tap on OK. Now here, once you are done editing, tap on save button right here, and that's it. Your transaction has now been updated. Your reports will automatically reflect the changes like this. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the notification bell for more easy tips. Thank you for watching.